Can you use ChatGPT Data Analysis feature for free? Well, the answer depends on the kind of documents or data analysis that you want to do. What you want to do is you want to simply open the ChatGPT application. After that, you want to click on this plus icon over here and tap on files. Tap on upload new file over here, and you want to select your file over here. And once you've selected your file, you'll be able to see that over here. And what you want to simply type in is you want to simply type in. Once you have done so, you want to simply tap on this arrow icon over here, and the analyzation will be started over here. After that, you'd be able to see all kinds of data. You'd be able to see all kinds of details about that data that you have just submitted. However, advanced data analysis features are generally available on supported paid plans only. Free users may not have access to the full spreadsheet and data analysis capabilities. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.